What's up, everybody? Welcome to the channel. My name is Julian McClurkin. If you've never been here before, I focus on family, faith, fun, and finance, and I do some reviews here and there. Today, I'm doing a review of a product that will actually help save that hairline. Now, I just got a haircut about a day ago, right? But as you can see, we're getting a little light up there up top. There are these things that barbers started using that I had no idea about, and they call them enhancements. So today I'm going to show you an enhancement that I went ahead and purchased after I saw my barber kept using it on me. I know one day I ain't gonna have no hair up here. So in the meantime, between time, it's nice just to put a little something up there. You can just see it's just getting a little light. Now, this product that I found is called the Topics Boom. One is the Fiber Hold Spray, and one is the actual fibers themselves. And I'm going to show you how to use this, and I'm going to put a link to all of these products below so that you can grab them yourself on Amazon, and I'll put a link to their competitors as well. So let's get into it. All right, so here we go. You have the products right here. This is the hair building fibers. This is the Fiber Hold Spray, and this is like the little applicator thing. You just press that and we get a nice little mist of fibers. What you have to do is put this on top of that. But the thing that I'm noticing barbers are doing when they're doing this is, and by the way, I'm not a barber, so don't scold me if I'm getting the process wrong here, but they spray this on first, then they spray on the fibers, then they spray this on again to kind of hold it. The instructions on here actually say that you're supposed to spray this after you've already applied the fibers. But it's up to you. All right, so I'm just going to show you the process here. And you'll see in here, it's actually, I don't know if I can show you. Is it going to stick to my hand? Yeah, just a couple little, and that's all it is, just these little black fibers. You can get them in whatever color your hair is. See that? All right, so what you're going to do is screw this guy on right here, just like that. Very good. And we're on to the next step. Time to fix that hairline. I'm going to show you how. All right, now I never go overboard with this, so I just go really light. I just want to give you guys a good example of what you can do with this product. Something you want to keep with you is like a card or something to keep everything straight. If you have like a business card or something telling everybody where to go and buy real estate, that might be good to have. I'm gonna go ahead, hit this a couple times. There we go. Woo. Make sure you don't get this in your eyes. Don't get it in your mouth. I didn't use a whole bunch there because I don't go overboard. Now you just want to line it up with where your lineup is, or where it's going to be. I haven't even brushed my hair today. Like it's crazy. Little squirts here. There we go. Ooh, that was a heavy one. I'm doing this for the video. I usually don't go this heavy. There we go. And voila, just like that, insta hairline. Feel me? And then you just want to take this, and that's it. And you just cause it to hold a little bit. Now, normally the barbers will take like a little razor and kind of straighten that little overspray up, but I don't really care about that. So that's basically it. You can see it just kind of fills in those little spots. I can show you an extreme example. We'll get crazy here. All right. Some people use it on their beard, but you see I got this light patch right here. So I'm just going to give it a spray. Going to go right here on the beard game. Oh. All right. This is going to look crazy, okay? Don't talk about me. I would never do this. That's too much to me. I feel like people know you got some, but this is just an example. I want y'all to see how well this stuff actually works. Some people, this is the look for them. This ain't the look for me, though. All right, I just like keeping it light up there, filling in some stuff. That's a lot. It looks like it was painted on it. But when you do put that spray on here, you can actually, it just shampoos right out. But it will stay. If you put enough spray on there, enough holding spray, it will stay over you taking at least one shower. So look, that's the product, you guys. Again, the link to this is in the description below, and some of the competitors. Topics isn't the only one that makes it, but this is the one I use and I really like it. All right, until next video, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.